Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 trigger isn't responding, you're not alone. This issue may arise due to wear and tear or a malfunctioning component. If left unchecked, it could lead to a complete failure of the vacuum, making it unusable and causing further inconvenience in maintaining a clean home. To tackle this repair, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some replacement parts for the trigger mechanism. First, ensure that your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged. Start by removing the dust container, press the button and pull it away from the main body. Locate the screws that hold the casing together. There are typically 4 screws on the back. Carefully unscrew them using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the casing apart using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips while doing this. Now, you need to identify the trigger component. It's located near the handle of the device. If you look closely, you'll see where the trigger connects to the motor assembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To remove the faulty trigger, carefully disconnect any wires attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. Use your tweezers to gently pull the connectors apart. Next, unscrew the small screws holding the trigger in place. These are usually quite tiny, so handle them with care. Once the screws are out, gently lift the trigger out of its housing. Take your new trigger and position it in place, securing it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the wires according to how they were originally attached. Before closing the casing, ensure that everything is correctly positioned and that no wires are pinched. Now, carefully align the casing back together, making sure all clips and edges fit snugly. Reinsert the screws into the back of the device, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Finally, replace the dust container. Plug your Dyson V10 back in and test the trigger to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it responds as it should, then congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly maintain your vacuum. Ensure that the trigger area remains clean and free from debris, and avoid forcing the trigger if it feels stuck. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.